Hi! Okay, so for my article, I did the article How to Teach Tropism. So I created a word cloud that shows basically all of the most important words in the article. So the biggest words that we have here are students use plants. So basically the best way to teach tropism, which tropism is the way that plants react to stimuli in order to be able to grow. So there's many different types of tropism is so the biggest words that I have here are students use plants. So basically the best way to teach tropism is by actually having students use their own plants in the classroom. So you can test out students' responses, plants' responses to plants by having students go ahead and plant their own plants in different types of environments. So one of the experiments, for example, would be to have your students get a water bottle and have water in one end of the bottle and then put a plant inside of it, and then you can go ahead and test out throughout the week how the plant responds and record these observations. So you want to see if the roots will grow towards the water or away from it, and see basically the different types of plants. Some of the other words that we have here are seeds, tropisms, flytrap, which is a typical plant that's used in order to teach tropism since they react pretty frequently to outside stimuli. Some other words that we have here are group. So group work for this would be really good in order to have students collaborate and really observe their different observations. Another important word here would be science, space, children. So basically these were the most highlighted words in the articles. Stimulation, because all these really show how important it is to have students collaborate in the classroom and be able to really learn about these different types of tropisms. So yeah, in conclusion, the best way to teach tropism is to actually have students be able to do hands-on activities with the plants. So have them plant their own seeds and see how plants react to different types of environments. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you have a great day.